Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lead lock strike in a Maytag washer. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we are going to need a Torx 15 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lead lock strike. This lead lock strike is mounted on the inner edge of the lead slightly to the right. When the lid is closed, the lead strike is positioned inside the lead lock. At the beginning of a cycle, the lock is energized, catching the strike and latching the lid. If you can hear the clicking sound of the activated lead lock, but the lid is not locked, check the lead lock strike and replace it if it's broken. To get it apart, we need to open the lid. This is our strike, which is mounted on the inside of the lid. It's held in place by two Torx 15 screws, and I'm going to use a Torx 15 screwdriver and we're going to remove it. All right, so let's take those two screws out. And we're going to slide the strike out. This is the old lead lock strike next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we've got here our new lead lock strike, and we're going to install it. We're going to place it here and push it up, so we're going to match these holes. And now we're going to secure it with the couple Torx 15 screws using the Torx 15 screwdriver. All right, and now we're going to close the lid. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.